Most events are still organized with a spreadsheet, a WhatsApp group, and a prayer. Attendee details live in email threads. Check-in means printed lists and a marker at the door. After it is over, nobody knows what worked. This is Event Sync, built for the people who care too much about their events to run them that way. Rahul runs Product Summit, South India's biggest product management conference. The moment he logs in as event manager, the dashboard shows everything at once. All his events, how many are live, total registrations across the portfolio, and how many attendees have already been checked in today. Building a new event takes one form: title, dates, venue. The URL slug writes itself from the title. Pick the event type: conference, trade fair, roadshow, workshop, or product launch. Events Sync runs offline events as naturally as online ones. And the format selector opens a virtual join URL field the moment you choose hybrid or virtual. Set the capacity, the registration deadline, flip the status to published, and the event is live for registrations in under 2 minutes. The page attendees see is built, not templated. The landing page editor gives Rahul 6 section types to compose with: hero banner, about, speakers grid, agenda, sponsors, and a call to action. The speakers section auto-populates from the event data. The agenda pulls from the session list. Publish, and every attendee lands on a custom event page at the same URL. No developer, no code. Product Summit has 7 sessions across 2 tracks. The sessions editor lets Rahul set each one's title, time slot, room, track label, and capacity, then assign one or more speakers to it. Drag to reorder the agenda in seconds. Over on the speakers page, each profile carries a bio, photo, title, company, and LinkedIn. The same data the landing page pulls in automatically. Nandini Rao, Chief Design Officer at TrustScore. Arav Singh, Chief Revenue Officer at Shop Local. Every profile, every credential, one place. This is what Priya sees. She lands on the custom page Rahul built. Hero banner, the 4 speaker profiles, the full agenda. She finds the afternoon panel and adds it to her personal schedule in one tap. The My Schedule view shows her bookmarked sessions by day. One more tap downloads an ICS file that drops straight into Google Calendar or Outlook. Someone new, Neha, CEO of Startup Growth India, found the event and wants in. She scrolls to the registration section, fills in her name, email, phone, company, and role, and submits. Her registration number generates in seconds. No account required, no email loop to confirm. She is in the system, confirmed. And the check-in desk can find her by name on the day. Registration is only half the job. People forget to show up. Event Sync closes that loop on its own. Every confirmed attendee gets a WhatsApp reminder the day before, with the date, the venue, and their registration number. And on event morning, an AI voice agent named Ria calls the ones still unconfirmed, politely checks if they are coming, and logs every outcome. Rahul flips the toggles once. The platform does the rest. Nearly 300 WhatsApp reminders delivered, 42 calls this morning, and Meena confirmed on the call before her first coffee. That is how 72% walk through the door. Event day. The check-in desk runs on any device. Live stats across the top. Total registered, total checked in, today's count, and the attendance rate update every time a scan fires. The QR scanner reads the attendee's phone in under a second. Or switch to manual search. Type a name, find the row, one click. Rahul can see the attendance rate climbing in real time. No refresh needed. After the event, certificates go out in bulk. The dialog lists every checked-in attendee who does not have a certificate yet. Over 200 of them. Select all, Click issue, done in seconds. Each certificate has a unique number and a public verification URL that anyone can open without logging in. Priya's certificate confirms her name, the event, the date, and shows verified in green. Shareable on LinkedIn. Trustworthy to any recruiter. Gamification is a real retention mechanic, not decoration. The leaderboard shows Priya at the top with 480 points, earned through check-in, sessions attended, networking, and content viewed. The badges panel lets Rahul define what drives the behavior he wants. Early bird, networker, session champion. The rewards panel ties points to something real. A signed book bundle at 300, a VIP after-party pass at 500. Priya has already claimed the notebook, 300 product minds in one building. The networking page turns that into actual conversations. Priya can search the full attendee list by name or company, toggle to show only people with LinkedIn profiles, and send a meeting request with a personal message. She checks her requests panel. Kavya from TechForge sent one this morning. One tap to accept, and the meeting is locked in. Content stays alive long after the last session ends. Rahul has uploaded 3 items, a pre-read PDF, the PRD workshop template, and the photo gallery. The workshop template is gated. Only registered attendees can access it. The pre-read and gallery are public. Every attendee sees all of it in their content library, accessible from their event page, and it lives there indefinitely. Engagement scoring tells Rahul who is genuinely into the event and who has checked out. The system scores every attendee on check-in, sessions attended, networking activity, and content viewed, then places them into 4 tiers. Priya is hot at 92. She has been to 3 sessions, connected with 5 people, and downloaded the PRD template. Passive attendees at the bottom are the ones to re-engage before the next event. The analytics dashboard turns the event into a set of decisions for next time. Check-in trends show the pattern. Early badge pickup the evening before, then the morning rush on event day. Session popularity. The opening keynote drew the biggest crowd, and the PRD workshop hit its 60-seat cap. Check-in rate, 72%, up from 61% last year. Engagement distribution across the 4 tiers. One view the whole picture. No spreadsheets, no printed check-in lists, no chasing people for certificates. From the first registration to the last analytics read. One system, built for events that deserve better than Excel.